Question number 1. What is reasonable estimate for the cross-sectional area of a wire in a paper clip? Now in a paper clip, the thickness of the wire could hardly be around 0.75 mm to 1 mm. So if this is 1 millimeter, if I say thickness is 1 millimeter, then its radius could be around half a millimeter, right? Which would be around 0.5 millimeter. Then its area of cross section would now be equal to pi r square. Okay, based on all this, on these assumptions only I made, which should be 3.14 multiplied by r. What is r? 0.25 into 10 to the power of minus 6. I have substituted this here. R square is 0.5 square 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 6. When I do this, this will be nearly 3 multiplied by 1/4 into 10 to the power minus 6 will be around 0.75 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now let's check out whether this value is closer here. This is definitely not the answer, 10 to the power minus 6. Here there 8 into 10 to the power minus 5. Here I can write 0.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Minus 4 I can write. Okay. Here it is 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 6. So this is also incorrect. This is 10 to the power minus 6, 0.75 into 10 to the power minus 6. I think this should be the right answer. Okay.